Shout out po sa aking channel, Ronnie Ben Vlog. Hello po. Hello po. Sa ngayon po ay magluto muna ako ng lunch bago aakyat na po ako sa taas. Akit na po kami ni, ano pangalan to, Josephine. Turuan ko po siya maglinis at para mga 2 or 3 days, pag alam na niya po, siya na lang po mag-isa doon sa taas. Dahil tumawag po ako kay Teresa kanina, medyo okay naman na po siya, pero obserbahan pa po siya ng doktor. Simpleng luto lang po tayo, simpleng luto lang po. She's good.
When she's coming?
The doctor need 1 month more because they see if have more, again they make operation.
Oh my God.
Miskin, Teresa.
Shit.
Have one lady, Mama take there in the room.
Yeah. She's also a Philippine?
Yeah, Filipina.
Good. Somebody is there. at least.
Imagine you see.
Hey.
Huh?
This Mushkin, huh?
Huh?
Teresa.
Yeah.
She was looking very good, healthy. What happened?
Anita, what is this?
Basil.
Guys.
Basil.
And this?
This is basil. This may be basil only. This is good for the stomach.
Yeah. And this?
This is onion leaves.
Sure? Right?
This is also good.
For rice.
This we use for this also, what it is called, pasta.
And this one?
That one is what? This one is very nice. This is in their language.
Same oregano.
Zata.
Yeah.
We called it mint. But
Mint.
Yeah, mint, but other mint. This is very good. If you boil and drink, it's good.
It's good. But then if I call Teresa, you come, huh? You see Teresa.
Today I'm going for holiday.
Yeah, you go.
Okay, very nice.
This Anita, my friend. Say hi, Anita.
Hi! I just came to ask you about Teresa.
She cannot, but her face good. But the doctor there more see
Once
this
operation, then very difficult.
Yeah, baby have a stone big, cannot go out.
Crazy, she should drink water. I'm shouting everybody. But everybody doesn't want to hear anything. In my house also same thing.
Yeah,
Only that orange drinking,
like this.
what is that, Fanta, whatever it is. I'm shouting, but not like. Not like before. Before Papa.
How are you there?
Yeah, just tell me. I don't have a number to call.
Okay. Thank you, Anita. Yun po ay kapitbahay namin. Parang kamag-anak na rin po nila. Kamag-anak na rin po nila dito. Diyan lang po sa kabilang bahay. India po yung katulong nila. Anita po. Mabait po yun. Tagal na rin po yun dito. Inamag na rin. Kagaya ko. Okay po, bye-bye po. Doon na lang po ang aking munting video. Please subscribe my channel, Handy Beng Vlog. At salamat po sa nagsusubscribe sa akin. Ay buong puso kong nagpapasalamat. At sa hindi po nagsusubscribe, daghan salamat. Sana po ay mag-subscribe and like and comment naman po din kayo. Maraming salamat po, and Jesus love you po, and Jesus love us. God bless po sa ating lahat, at sana po huwag natin pababayaan ang ating sarili dahil tayo po ay nandito sa ibang bansa. Okay po, bye-bye po, love you, bye-bye.